Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to clear cache on your laptop or PC. So there are a few things that you can try, and the first thing is just go to the search bar on your Windows and just write here disk, and you will see this one, disk cleanup. So open this one and choose your drive, as mainly the window is on drive C. So just choose drive C, click on OK, and after that you will be seeing like all the files that are available, the junk files that are like temporary internet, DirectX, like make sure to tick all these. And once you tick all these, let me just check it, and after that just you can select all of them and just click on clean up system files. And once you click here, you will be seeing this option, so just click on OK, and it will like clean up all the junk files, and it will take a few minutes or few seconds depending on how much cache or how much temporary files do you have in your PC or laptop. So make sure to wait for a few seconds, and once you're done, hopefully your PC or laptop will be working better. So if not, so what you can do is just go to run, simply search here run, and you will see this one, and from here just write down temp, and click on OK, continue, allow this, and delete all these files. Just click on Ctrl A, select all these files and click on delete, and remove all these cache or delete files. And once you do that, your PC or laptop will be working much better. And the third thing that you can try, just open run again, go to run, and from here just write down percentage temp and percentage again, and click on enter, and just delete all these cache files. Like as you can see, the Chrome cache, and these files can make your PC or laptop slow, and none of these files are usually important, so you can delete all these files. They're not that important and they will not affect any of your data. So just select all, control delete, and remove all these files. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can remove cache on your laptop or PC.